Hey friends, getting ready to brave the grocery store. There's a few last minute items that I need, and I know it's going to be crazy in there today. Hello friends, I'm very happy to report that I got everything on my list. Seriously, like my entire list is crossed off. I'm so excited. That never happens to me. I get distracted, I forget stuff, and I walk by the aisle that it's in, and then I don't want to go back for it because I just want to move on with my life. So I feel really successful today because I got everything, which is awesome. Also, I wanted to say happy Thanksgiving from Florida. It's freaking hot out today. It's 79 with full blasting sun, which means it feels like temperature of like 94. So it kills me. But anyway, I know I shouldn't complain. I could be shoveling 6 feet of snow, I guess. But, a little sweater weather would be nice. It's time to unload the groceries and clean the house.
This is my pre-Thanksgiving mess in my kitchen. So I will be working very hard today to get this space cleaned up and ready for tomorrow.
If you have a flat top range, be sure to clean it before and after you use it. That way the food won't get stuck to it. I use diluted citrus salt for general cleaning. But also for my granite countertops, I do use a special cleaner and polish on that about once a week. Snack time! I wanted to tell you that I use vinegar to clean my appliances because it's completely non-toxic. I hand wash my plastic items and I use Dawn dishwashing liquid. Well, the kitchen's nice and clean. It's all ready for me to mess it up again with some cooking, but that's all part of the holiday. I am wishing you all a very happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching!